In this video, we examine the Romans' most feared people and how they evolved into tech masters. Do you know who the Romans feared most? They were also the people who powered Rome's biggest slave revolts. A revolt so massive, it brought the empire to its knees. Their homeland was a world away from the Mediterranean sun, a place of dark forests and mountain passes which the Romans could never truly control. These were warriors who were hardened by a relentless, wild frontier. Their strength was born from the very stone of the earth. And when captured, their raw power made them the most valuable and most dangerous commodity. But over the centuries, the raw power that fueled Rome's revolts evolved into a different kind of strength. Discipline, engineering, and intellect. The people of this former frontier built beautiful, stable nations at the heart of Europe. Yet, the deep-seated ability for solid defense and military ingenuity never truly vanished. It reappeared in moments of existential crisis, shaping the very history of the world. This heritage is best seen in a nation built on peace, whose massive tunnels and mountain passes were secretly reached to blow. A plan to deny an invasion by sealing off the Alps, the modern echo of that ancient, unyielding frontier. This precision became the engine of human understanding. The German astronomer Johannes Kepler literally wrote the law that governed the planets, proving the universe obeys mathematically perfect rules. Later, Joseph von Fraunhofer's precise studies of the sun's spectrum laid the groundwork for modern astrophysics. And no one embodies this transformation more than Albert Einstein. His theories didn't just explain the universe, they changed our entire perception of reality. The inherent German focus on abstract discipline and complex mathematics gave the world its most powerful intellectual breakthroughs. And this legacy is not just history. In the face of the recent global crisis, it was German precision in biotechnology, spearheaded by BioNTech, that delivered one of the first and most effective COVID-19 vaccines. The disciplined pursuit of scientific truths saved millions of lives. So, who were the people the Romans feared the most? They were the people living on the east of Rhine and the west of Rhine. They were the people of Germany and Switzerland. And their core strength, born in those dark, wild forests, is still there today.